Welcome to another tutorial of ProfLearn YouTube channel. In this particular video, we're going to have a discussion on what are the kind of topics you really expect to see in paper 1 Noncalculator core paper. That is paper 1 2025. We know that this is a new specification whereby we have also Noncalculator here, and then we are going to look at the formulas that are provided: area of a triangle, area of a circle, circumference, curved surface area of a cylinder. All these formulas are provided here in the first page. And now I want us to move straight and see which kind of question you really need to prepare. So basically, I'm not discussing how to work out this paper. I'm just discussing kind of questions that can be asked in core paper. So you see, you can be asked question to do with writing a decimal to a fraction, a decimal to a percentage, and a decimal to a standard form. So you need to prepare on how to express that, and also to write given number in figures if you are given in words. Standard form, of course, you need to know how to write that. Another kind of question you can be asked is about factors and factors of a given number. For instance, 18, we can be able to have its factors as 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, of course. You need to know indices. You need to know indices whereby you are given 10 raised to power 3, that is the same as 1,000. Square root, cube root of numbers, you need to know that, and also number raised to 0 is actually 1. You need to understand how to find lines of symmetry and order rotational symmetry of given number of orders. So those are the concepts I want you to really prepare on as far as May June exams concerned. Reciprocals, you can first express it as a fraction, and then you reverse the numerator and denominator as shown there. You need to know body mass and bead mass. You need to know how to arrange numbers from the smallest to the largest, and of course the best way to approach it, you convert all the numbers that I provided there in decimal, so that you can be able to see which one is bigger. Yeah, so conversion of time, adding of time is also another concept that you really need to prepare, so that whenever you are going to do those exams, you'll be ready. So these are just the concept I'm mentioning that you really need to know how to work out as far as the May June exams is concerned for the core paper, paper 1 Noncalculator. So for you to add here, you have to convert the 70 minutes to hours and minutes, so that you can be able to work it out. Area of shape, of course, counting square techniques, complete squares plus a half the incomplete squares, so that you can be able to find the area. And 1 square was 1 centimeter square, so you are going to say that. So I believe you can be able to follow that. Some kind of these questions will be asked, and mine is just to bring to your attention that you need to be able to work out questions related to this. Yeah. Ensure you start your revision earlier, and you are able to go through more past papers, so that when you are going to do the exam, this question will be just repeated. The questions will be just similar, but it's only the figures that are going to change. The figures are going to change. Mine is just to wish you all the best in your coming exam, and good luck. If you have not subscribed to ProfLearn YouTube channel, consider subscribing, so that anytime I'm going to upload another tutorial, you'll be notified. So we need to know how to convert liters to centimeter cubic. We know 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cubic, so that's what we are supposed to do here. So we have a prism which has 5 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the bottom, and we have also edges where different faces meet. That's an edge. Where two faces are meeting, that is an edge. And in this point, for us to find BC, remember we are using Pythagoras theorem. And in order to work it out, we're going to get square root of 25, that will be 5. Yeah, so you need to prepare on how to find angles in triangles, and also you need to know an equilateral triangle has all the angles equivalent to what? 60 degrees. You need to know how to complete a table so that you can be able to draw a graph. So we are going to plot the points. You need to know that plotting points, you have to ensure all the points are plotted. And after plotting all the points, then that is when you are going to now join the points by drawing a smooth line, just like that. You just draw a smooth line that way. And then so we need to draw also the upload the point for the other section also. And then after we have done that, we can join by drawing a smooth line. So basically that's what we're going to do. And if you are told to draw the equation of y equals to -9, y equals to -9 is down here. Our line goes that way, and you can see where it meets the graph is that point. So if we are finding the solution using our graph, we are going to check where these two a line and the curve we're meeting, we read at this given point. So that's approximately -1.5. Yeah, about inequalities is another concept that you need to know about inequalities, and also sketching inequalities on a number line. You need to understand when the number is shaded, it means that number is included. So when it's shaded, you should have the equality part. And correct to the nearest meter, we are going to have our answer 6 that there. Okay, about formulas, you may be asked to make subject of the formula or to substitute values so that you can be able to find a value. For instance, we are given x is equals to 1/3x w cubed p. So then for us to find x, we need to substitute w and 6 so that we can be able to get the value. So since it's w squared, it will be 5 times, or w times w, or 5 times 5 in that case. Making p the subject of the formula, it means we are rearranging that so that we can be able to remain with p only on one side. And about fractions, working with fractions is another area you need to know. If you are given mixed fraction, you need to express it as improper fraction, and then you can be able now to simplify. Another area is the area of probability. If you are having 1/10, that's faulty. Faulty is if faulty is 1/10, non-faulty will be 9/10, because the probability add up to 1. So that would be 10/10 minus 1/10. So you can be able to complete the probability diagram, and then maybe you can answer questions. You can be asked to find the probability to faulty batteries, so that would be 10 and 10. This one. So in this part of probability, because we are told they're faulty, we're talking of the faulty one, you are going to say that this is going to be 1/10 times 1/10, and that's going to be 1/100. So that's 1/100. And for 3,000 batteries, this will be 1/, those that are going to 100 times 3,000, and that's going to translate to 30 batteries. Yeah, 30 batteries. So that's basically what you are supposed to do at that given point.